everybody. I hope you've had a great day. My day has gone pretty good. I can't complain. I have everything that was on my list completed. My list is checked off. And so now I am going home. I have bought some lemons because I'm going to make a cocktail for you. And we're going to enjoy the evening. But wait a minute, you have to see this. Hold on just a second. Oh my gosh. Was that not amazing? Well, they're cute. We have deer everywhere and they're cute until they eat your flowers. And that's what happened last year was they ate my flowers and then I was not happy with them any longer. And they are becoming so abundant that I'm wondering if we might have to have someone come in and herd them up, and can they take them to a deer preserve? I don't know. But they're just everywhere, and they do roam freely. They're not afraid of humans, but they can do some damage to your flowers and shrubs. But anyway, let's go to the house, and I'm going to make a cocktail. I'm going to enjoy the evening. Here we are, our rainy afternoon in South Florida, but it's the perfect time for a cocktail. We can sit, watch the rain, watch the gators in the lake, and enjoy the afternoon. And so today we're going to make the iconic champagne cocktail, which is the French 75, and it requires 4 ingredients. You'll need champagne. This is Corbel. I only suggest that you don't use an extraordinarily expensive champagne because the taste is going to be muddled with other ingredients. You will need gin, and not this much gin. I just happen to have this Bombay Sapphire in the refrigerator, so that's what we're going to use. And you'll need lemon juice and simple syrup. I think we have a lull in the rain, which is great, but I am seeing a little lightning and hearing thunder in the background. So if you see lightning behind me or hear thunder, not to worry because I'm undercover. So let's get started making our cocktails. I'm going to make enough of this cocktail for 2 cocktails, but I'm going to put the recipe for this mix in the information box below, and then you can just double it if you want to, or use the proportions that you need for as many people as you're going to serve. So let's use our shaker, and I'm going to use 1 ounce of lemon juice. I'm going to have to include 2 ounces of gin. There's our 2 ounces of gin. I'm going to use 1 ounce of simple syrup. And I know I have mentioned simple syrup in several recipes, and if you're not familiar with simple syrup, I'm going to include the information about how to make simple syrup at this point. Over medium heat, you'll use a saucepan and equal parts of water and white granulated sugar. In this case, I'm using 1/2 of a cup of water and 1/2 of a cup of white granulated sugar. Stir the 2 ingredients until it is warm but not boiling. You'll notice the mixture will turn clear, and after it is turned clear, you can transfer it to a glass container and it will keep up to a month. This is perfect for iced teas and any other iced drink. So we have our simple syrup, and we have 1 ounce going into our shaker. We are going to add ice. And look at my little ice scoop. It has an alligator. I don't remember where I found that. Some little gift shop, but I thought it was appropriate because we do see them down here. So I'm going to add ice to the shaker. and cold. My shaker is sweating from the humidity. Now we're going to add champagne. It always makes me so nervous to take these cages off the cork. I'm afraid it's going to explode. So before I'm killed by an exploding cork, if you're not a subscriber, tap that subscribe button. I did it! So we're just going to we're just going to top off this cocktail with champagne. Now you can use Prosecco, but because it really doesn't matter. But I'm just trying to keep it French. So I'm going with champagne. I'm just going to stir this just a touch. And you can garnish it with a twist of lemon. And I'm going to pour you a cocktail. And I'm going to top it off with champagne. And a quick stir. And I hope you enjoy your cocktail. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. And follow me on Instagram. Bye. Ooh, good.